Good evening, welcome to my channel. This is showing how to make money on fire without no skills. So if this is your first time watching my video, come to subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. So I'll be showing you skills that you need to that it is very easy without even learning it, without any experience that you need. So what is it called? It's called social media manager. So as a we call it social media management. So as the person entering the service is what we call the person social media manager. So you don't need any skills needed. You don't need any skills because before you can start social media management for any people out there. So the first thing you have to know is that you can see this person is rated as a top rated seller. So what do you say you do? I'll be your social media manager, personal assistant. That's what the person say you can do. I'll be your social media manager, personal assistant. And let's say the basic package. The first one is basic package is just like 5 days daily engaging post plus caption and search hashtag with optimization and reviews. So how do you do that? I think most of us have been doing things like this, but you don't know that it's what we call social media management. Because you just normally post on our social media platform without even knowing that we are even into something related to like social media management already. So what's the standard package? Let's say the standard package also 8 days daily engaging posts plus caption and research hashtag with optimization risk. This daily engaging post doesn't mean anything, just like a posting, but make sure to be very attractive to people who are trying to reach out there. That's the mean. The premium there is just like 30 days, that you post for like 30 days. Consider 30 days, that's it. So the same thing using the hashtag and reels. So, but based on what the package is all about, maybe like if you're making like 2 posts per day and worries, and that's making 3 posts per day. But maybe you can also include that 2 posts per day, that's what you want. But for like basic, you can make it just like 1 post per day or 2 posts per day. So doing that will make you to be very to have a chance of being ordered on Fiverr. So that's it. So let's check the about this gig, what the person says about this gig. About this gig, they're like, let us manage, optimize, and grow your social media presence, engage your community, build an audience, increase your revenue. It is all possible with our social media service package. So let's see the service the person is actually rendering to people out there. The first one is social media strategy. It is nothing. Just like you trying to tell the person that this is what you do for them. Or like how to post like the posting per day like you'll be doing for them. The development, you develop content. So the captions is very easy and graphics. You can for these captions and graphics, you can make use of Canva and ChatGPT to generate your captions for you. ChatGPT generates a great high quality caption for you guys. So you can make use of ChatGPT. The third one is growth optimization and daily maintenance. You're trying to post every day and make sure it's each and make sure your post is very optimized, like having some search engine optimization inside and daily maintenance, and that's all. The fourth one is communication with your clients. You always communicate with your clients. Like, I mean, the person who ordered you, like, yeah, the person you are managing is our social media. So that's the client. So you communicate with them like this, how your post is doing, engaging. That's all. The fifth one is develop brand awareness. So behind awareness, they like a posting there that's like making the reach. So be making use of the algorithm or Instagram. Like you see the analytics of all the tools on Instagram or Facebook, they all have their own tools, like powerful tools that they are using to measure everything you need to know. The sixth one is build relationships, like engagements. That's what build relationship with your followers, implementation guidelines and stuff like that. Eighth one is competitive analysis, just like I said. How to make sure that you always check the metrics on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or other social medias like that. Profile signups and setups. So maybe the person just trying to start up his social media and stuff like that. You can do it for the person. Business manager setup, cover, profile main, image, logo, and stuff like that. Maybe the person just needs social media or just trying to do one for his business, so our business out there. The tenth one is blog design, setup or optimization, gig extra. So that's another one. Blog design, setup or optimization on. It's like this person is adding another package to his service. Maybe some people might be interested. So this is the main. So blog strategy and development, another gig extra again. So community building. Maybe the person is like try to build a community, like you can help the person to build his or her community, like bringing his followers to join. Maybe they're interested in free stuff like that, or like you trying to give them like free book and stuff like that, and all that stuff, like of course. So that's what we call, that's how you build a community. And that one, the third one is like community monitoring and more. You send more details in conversion, that's all. So ad campaigns, maybe you're interested in learning in running adverts. So that's another way of earning money again, just like Gig Extra. The person know this person also knows how to run adverts for them. So that's it. So and how do you do that? Just like you trying to make use of your platform, social media platform. Maybe you are trying to you do like I will do like I'll post on your two platform or three platform per day. That's it. So the person is making use of $55 for basic package, the standard $95, premium. So he got $30, and the person has made, I think he has made over, as you can see, he has 218 orders in queue. He has been ordered like more than 3,000. So this person is hurting, as you can see. So I can see he has already received orders like 3,000 to 3,837, and he still has another 218 orders in queue. So this person doesn't you don't even need any skills or no skill needed. This is what we call no skill needed job, because you don't need any experience. You just have to like know what you want to like post there and just go to ChatGPT to generate caption, go to Canva to do design your logo and that, and to design is your image, like maybe the person has like specific image that he or she wants to upload on his or her social media accounts, and you can also help the person with that also. So just like make use of Canva. Canva is very straightforward for you to learn, so you don't need too much skills or too much experience on Canva. So that's it. So if you enjoy my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. Good day everyone.